Hi guys, it's Kayla from Kayla Lovejoy Equine Art, and today I've got a new craft project for you. Some of you have probably seen tie-dyed Easter eggs where they use food coloring and shaving cream to tie-dye Easter eggs. Well, today we're going to try that on a Breyer model. I've never done this before, so I'm not sure it's going to work, and I don't have any clue how it's going to go. So this will be a little experiment, and we're going to see how it works. So the first thing you're going to need is a Breyer model, and I recommend one from one of the new paint kits that Breyer has. So this one here came from the Spirit kit. I've got Pure Silk shaving cream. I'm going to try it. I have 3 food coloring colors. So this is just regular standard food coloring. I've got a pink, got like a green, and a purple. I have just a butter knife to swirl it around. I've got a little glove to wear and a paper plate here. So that should be about all you need. Just these few items. You're going to want to shake your shaving cream. Shaking it is going to really make it puff up much better. Okay. And you're going to want enough that you can submerge your model in it. So that should be good on the shaving cream. Alright, this color is probably my favorite, so I'll put a bunch of dots of this. Should be good. Use a little bit of pink. And some purple. Okay, I might do another drop of pink just for a little more contrast. Maybe one more. There we go. Now you're going to swirl this around just to give it like a cool swirly pattern. You don't want to swirl it too much because then all your colors are going to mix together. Oh, this stuff's kind of hard to swirl. Oh yeah, I can see some awesome colors in here. Oh, this horse is going to look awesome. I know it. Okay. I have my swirl. It is pretty crazy, pretty nice. And I'm going to just dunk my horse right in here. And you want to completely submerge your horse. So I'll cover her up with some of this.
Once you have your model covered up just how you want, you're going to want to let it sit for at least a half an hour. So I'm going to let this sit and we'll come back to it in about a half hour.
Okay, so our horse is in here somewhere. This is where I'm going to put on my little glove. And I'm going to find it. Scrape away some of this shaving cream. See what this little thing looks like. So I've got a paper towel here. I'm going to try and pull a little more shaving cream away first. Okay, got the horse. And I'm going to just wipe it with this paper towel. So you just want to like wipe all this stuff off. Okay, so here's my horse, and it seems like it does work. However, it doesn't really come out marbly. It looks more smudged. Like, it looks like I basically just wiped all these colors around with a paper towel. Okay, so here it is, and I don't really know what to think. I feel like a lot of this stuff will probably just wipe off with my fingers. I'm not sure though. You definitely want to clear coat this horse after when you're done, just to keep everything on the model. It doesn't really look like the swirled pretty Easter eggs that you see. It's more smudged. I don't know if having applied a primer to the model would have been better or not. It might have helped all of these colors adhere better, but that's just what I got. So yeah, you can decide if you like it or not. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you in another video.